Hello YouTube, this is Alexander coming to you with another video, and this time I will be restoring a pair of playoff 12s. These aren't actually mine though, these are my friend Edson's, and he said I could restore them for him for my YouTube channel. So you should go follow him. It'll be down below right here. So let's get into it. Okay guys, before I do the restoration, I'll be needing to clean these shoes because they're really dirty. So, the cleaning product that I'll be using is Jason Mark, the premium shoe cleaner, and the hard bristle brush for the midsole, and the soft bristle brush for the leather area. So, before that, I'm going to be removing the shoelaces. So let me do this real quick. Alright guys, now that I removed the shoelaces, I can start cleaning the shoe now. So let me clean these.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Okay, the next thing I'll be doing is repainting the black part right here and the other side. Then I'll be repainting this white part right here because it can use some touch-ups. But here we go. Okay guys, the paint that I will be using is flat black and flat white from Angelus brand. Very good quality shoe paint. I like to use my own brushes because I think they're better for this project. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. How have I dropped? Alright guys, I cleaned up all the paint that I spilled. Let's get into it. They're done drying, so let me have my second coat of paint. Alright guys, let me let this dry, then I can start on the white part. Okay, now guys, I will be painting this part of the upper and a little bit part of the midsole white. Oh, stupid. Okay, sorry guys, the chair's a little broken. Alright, let's get into it. Here's the Okay guys, this is my second coat of paint on the white part. Alright guys, I'm done with all the painting and cleaning parts, and I'll show you what the final result is after it's done drying. Okay guys, this is my final result from the restoration. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing more from me soon.